In this video, we are going to create a bullet and then finish our weapon script. First, in hierarchy, I will create a new empty object, create a 3D capsule, or make it something else, make it sphere. I will bring it in front of our, make it 0, first 0, 0, 0, bring it in front of our weapon. As you see, it's too big. Now I will make it 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.1. Now it looks like a bullet. So now let's give him a little bit of color. So in the materials, I will create a new material and I will call it bullet and change the color to yellow. Then I will drag it and put it in the bullet. Some metallic, maybe it's a little bit of metallic, smoothness. So now I will call the sphere also the bullet. Now I will make this sphere collider also is a trigger. Because if we don't do that, it acts like a solid object and it doesn't look good because it pushed our objects. So now we make it trigger. Now, because we want to push it in front, we need to give him rigid body, and we remove the gravity, because if we don't, our bullet will fall down, and we don't want that. I think that's all for this. Now we are going to our prefab, drag our bullet to our prefab, and now we can delete our bullet here. We already have it in prefab. Whenever we want, we can also put it in just in our center or here. So that's why we make it prefab. And let's select our player to bullet prefab. I will give him this white of a bullet, and the muzzle transform, it will be this one, and I think is a player. Now I will make current ammo to 50, max ammo also 50, and bullet speed at maybe 25, shoot rate at 0.1. Actually, we don't need to, I will make it private. So let's go back to our script. So we need to fill this part, but let's first, last shoot time, I will make it private. Now here in the shoots, last shoot time is equal over time.time. So time.time. And after we shooting, we need to reduce from our current ammo. So current ammo minus. We can also write instead of minus to is equal to minus equal 1. or just minus minus. So it's depends on you which one you like to write. Now we need to instantiate our bullet. So here game object that we already make it bullet, and we call it bullet, and we want it to instantiate. So instantiate create from that in bullet prefab, as you see here, instantiate object original. So here original is bullet prefab, and then our muzzle.position from our muzzle.position and muzzle.rotation. So what's this line means? It means when we save it, going to the game, as you see we have a muzzle here. So our game, we are going and find this bullet from our prefab, which we will add it here. This is from the bullet prefab, and then he will get the position of the transform, position transform and rotation of this muzzle, and then our weapon shot from this part, this muzzle. So now let's go back to the weapon again. Now we need to give the rigid body to our bullet. So here bullet dot get component, and the component that we want to get is on the rigid body. So and after that add the velocity to it. When we get the velocity of the rigid body, we want to muzzle dot forward in front of the muzzle, that is go in the front of the muzzle, multiply by bullet speed. Depend of our speed, the bullet speed, he should move. Our bullet should move depend on the bullet speed. So now let's save it and test it. So save the both script and going back to the game. So that's the muzzle front. This blue line, it's show the muzzle front. That's why we use it in our weapon. Here from the muzzle front, use the speed there. So now when we play, when we shoot, we can shoot, and it also will be reduced from our, here we have a current ammo 40, and it will be reduced from our current ammo. The only problem that it is that is our cursor. As you see, our cursor is not that. We want to hide our cursor when we want to play, so let's stop it. I'm going to our player script here at awake function. So we need to make a new one. So I make it info disable cursor, and then here I will write cursor dot lock state, and we want to lock the cursor lock mode. Cursor lock mode dot locked. So now when we save it, going back and press the button, our cursor will be disappear. The last thing before we ending this this video, you see now we locked here. For unlocking that, we need to press the button escape. Then we can get back our cursor, and we can start our game. So in the next video, we are going to work on our bullet, because now when we shoot, we create a lot from them. Now we want to just create a few of them and recycle them again, so we don't make lots of bullet. So see you in the next video.